Vlookup is used when we want to find data in table row wise. So this is our given table. This is product ID, this is name, price, quantity, and this is total price. Now our question is, we want to know total price of product ID P03. So I have written P03 here. We can directly select it from table also. So equals to Vlookup within bracket. First I will give lookup value. Lookup value is P03. Then we have to give table array. This is the table from which we have to find total price. Then we have to give column index number, that is the column from which we want our result. Our column is this one. So number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th column, comma 5, again comma. Then we have to write either true or false. If you want exact match, write false or 0, and if we want approximate match, write true. So I am writing false here. Enter. So 9,000 is the total price of product ID P03. Next, we want to find quantity of item P05. So formula is equals to Vlookup within bracket. We will give lookup value, which is P05. Then we have to give table array. This is table array. Then we have to give column number. In this case, column number is 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will write 4 here. Then either true or false. I am giving here false. Bracket close. Enter. So product ID P05 has total quantity 1. Similarly, if you want to know total price of randomly picked items like P01, P05, 6 and 10, for that we need to fix our table. So formula, this is a formula. Within bracket, I will give my lookup value. Then range of table. Now I have to fix this range. For that I will press F4, comma. I have to give column index number. Column number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the column number 5. And then either true or false. I am writing false because I want exact match. So 1000 is the total price of item P01. For P05, 6 and 10 we can drag and drop.